Are you tired of struggling to get consistent sales for your online business? What if I told you there's a secret that can change that? Building an email list is one of the most powerful ways to not only connect with your audience, but also turn that relationship into real, consistent revenue. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build an email list that makes you money. Whether you're new to email marketing or you've tried it and want to improve, these tips will help you grow your list and monetize it effectively. I'm going to break it down into 10 steps so you'll know exactly what to do to start seeing results. Let's get into it. 10. Start with a lead magnet. If you want people to sign up for your email list, you need to give them something of value in return. That's where a lead magnet comes in. A lead magnet is something that you offer for free in exchange for someone's contact details like their email address. Your lead magnet could be anything from a free ebook, a template, or a checklist, to a video course, webinar, or a free trial of a service you offer. The important thing is that it provides real value to your audience and is directly related to your niche or business. A great lead magnet will make your potential subscribers excited to join your list and will motivate them to take the next step in building a relationship with you. 9. Create a high-converting landing page. Once you've got your lead magnet, you'll need to set up a landing page where people can sign up for it. A landing page is a web page specifically designed for conversions. It's where people will be encouraged to opt into your email list. To make your landing page effective, clear headline. Your headline should explain the lead magnet's value in a simple and straightforward way. Simple opt-in form. Don't ask for too much information, just the essentials like name and email address. Bullet points or benefits. List out why your lead magnet is something they can't miss out on. Social proof. If you have testimonials or examples of how your lead magnet has helped others, include that to build trust. Using tools like ConvertKit, Leadpages, or MailChimp can make creating these landing pages easy and efficient. 8. Promote your lead magnet on social media. You can have the best lead magnet and landing page in the world, but if no one knows about them, you won't see results. This is where social media promotion comes in. Social media is a great way to drive traffic to your landing page and get more signups. Post on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or any platform where your audience hangs out. Share posts, videos, and stories that highlight the value of your lead magnet and include a call to action directing people to the landing page. You can also consider running targeted ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram to drive more traffic to your landing page. Remember to be consistent with your promotion. The more you promote your lead magnet, the more likely people will sign up. 7. Set up an email welcome sequence. Now that people are signing up for your list, you don't want to just leave them hanging. This is where an email welcome sequence comes in. A welcome sequence is a series of automated emails that go out as soon as someone subscribes to your list. The welcome sequence should do a few things. Introduce yourself and your business. Let your subscribers know who you are and what they can expect from your emails. Deliver your lead magnet. Make sure they get what they signed up for immediately so they feel like they're getting value right away. Provide value. Continue to provide helpful content that keeps them engaged and interested in what you have to offer. Call to action. Towards the end of the sequence, gently introduce a product or service you offer. This could be a paid product or service, or a more advanced free resource. By setting up an automated email sequence, you build trust with your audience and keep them engaged without having to manually send emails each time someone subscribes. 6. Optimize your emails for mobile devices. Did you know that over 50% of emails are opened on mobile devices? That means you need to make sure your emails look good and are easy to read on phones and tablets. If your emails are hard to read or look weird on mobile, you could lose subscribers. Make sure to use short subject lines. Long subject lines can get cut off on mobile screens. Keep the layout simple. Don't use large images or complicated designs. Keep the format easy to read. Test emails before sending. Most email platforms allow you to preview how your emails look on mobile. Always test them to make sure everything looks great. If you make your emails mobile-friendly, you'll keep your subscribers engaged and encourage higher open rates. 5. Offer exclusive discounts or early access. One of the easiest ways to incentivize signups is by offering exclusive discounts or early access to new products or services. People love getting special deals, so by offering something that's only available to your email list, you create a sense of urgency and exclusivity. You could offer a discount code for your products or services, early access to a new product or service before it's released to the public, a VIP-only offer that gives subscribers first dibs on limited items. These types of incentives will not only grow your list, but will also encourage people to take action once they're on it. 4. Run contests or giveaways. Running a contest or giveaway is a fun and exciting way to grow your email list. People love the chance to win something for free, especially if it's something relevant to their interests. To set up a giveaway, create a landing page where people can enter by submitting their email address. The more exciting your prize, the more likely people will sign up. You can also encourage participants to share the giveaway with their friends to get even more signups. Be sure to follow up with all the entrants after the contest ends with another round of valuable content or offers. This will keep the engagement going and help convert those contest entrants into long-term subscribers and customers. Third, segment your list for better targeting. Once you start building your email list, it's important to segment it based on different factors like interests, behavior, or demographics. Segmentation allows you to send more targeted emails, which increases engagement and conversions. For example, you can segment by location to send localized offers, segment by purchase history to send relevant follow-ups, segment by interest to send targeted content or promotions. By sending emails that are tailored to specific groups, you'll improve your chances of making sales and keep your subscribers happy by sending them only relevant content. 2. Use paid ads to scale faster. If you want to grow your email list quickly, running paid ads is a great strategy. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google allow you to run ads targeting specific audiences, making it easier to attract people who are likely to be interested in your lead magnet. When running ads, make sure your ad copy is clear, concise, and aligned with the offer on your landing page. Direct the traffic to your landing page where they can easily sign up for your lead magnet, and consider running retargeting ads for people who visited your page but didn't sign up. Paid ads are a great way to quickly scale your email list and start driving consistent traffic to your offers. 1. Provide ongoing value with email content. Once someone has subscribed to your email list, it's important to keep providing consistent value. If all you do is email your subscribers when you have something to sell, they'll start to lose interest. But if you regularly send helpful tips, exclusive content, and valuable information, they'll stay engaged with your brand. This could mean sending helpful blog posts or resources, exclusive tips or how-to content that's not available on your website, personal stories or behind-the-scenes updates. When you consistently provide value, your subscribers will be more likely to buy from you when you do make an offer. It's about building trust and nurturing the relationship over time. So there you have it, 10 powerful strategies to help you build an email list that actually makes you money. Remember, building an email list takes time, but if you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a highly profitable asset for your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more business tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or tell me about your email list building experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.